Well, it's a lot cleaner. That's positive. What are those? Ryan's got his gloves on. Done a little spray. It's most definitely likely going to rain. Isn't it, Ryan? Washing trucks, it's going to rain?
Oh yeah, definitely going to rain. Yeah, if anyone wants it to rain, just let us know.
Barefoot.
Yeah. That's how we do it.
What is it, like barefoot and afraid, or? No, it's naked and afraid. Oh, look at that. They always get so freaking dirty, eh? You want a degreaser? It's not that bad. It's like, you spend a week with the truck, it's like, oh, it's not that dirty, but when you wash it, it's got white suds all over it.
Yeah.
It's like, oh. Maybe it was disgusting. I don't know anyone who's put more shiny stuff on than you.
I did new guards. I've done numerous new nut covers. I've done mud flaps. We put a new Texas bar on the front because I had a bull bar, and we changed the bull bar because I was too long.
Because your overlength missed a spot.
Missed spot, yep.
Underneath. Yeah, good boy. You can't miss the underside.
No. And then what other stuff I put? Oh, I put extra new roof lights on. I put new lights behind the W on the front and behind the Western Star logos on each side.
I do have light envy.
Yeah. Oh, I got numerous things done. The auto greaser, like we put a new thing on the auto greaser for the...
That sounds...
Huh?
That sounds relatively automatic.
It's got on.
He's ready to roll. Are you going to direct him in? Direct him in.
He's a local driver. He should be able to get in by himself.
And he brings the Moffat.
Yeah, I bought the Moffat, of course.
Good. That's excellent.
Always bring the Moffat. Hello.
Hey!
Oh, ready?
You know Ryan? From...
Okay. Probably on Instagram.
Yeah. Come out over this way.
Oh, you want to hear us?
Of course.
You got a TV in there?
In the 48, so I got to rip it out of that.
Okay.
And got the PlayStation shit in it. But yeah, goes alright. Ryan's got to put new more batteries in, and
Yeah, apparently. I gotta do all these work.
In your one or in
No, in his.
His one.
Yeah.
he's the electrical man.
Apparently.
Oh, really?
Look at all the lights he's put on his truck.
So, yeah.
You're the electrical man because you know how to do electrics, right?
Yeah.
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 Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. All lights. Yeah, no, it's good in there.
It actually looks really good.
It does look.
It does look good, eh?
Right. So yeah. Yeah, it looks naked at night though.
It does.
So,
It's like,
looks weird.
it's like, looks like a
lights, and there's nothing in the middle.
looks like a broken heart.
Yeah.
A piece missing, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I put these in the other week. They're progressive, so they.
Oh, they do, they?
Yeah. As long as it doesn't rain, we're all good.
I would laugh if it poured.
It's 100% gonna rain. Alright, look what I've got to show you guys here. Alright, you hold it up here, you go loopy loop, and then you throw it as hard as you can and rip back on it like it's a fishing rod. Right? Super shiny, and I love it. And then you can even wear it down here, like on a belt buckle, and it turns you into a cowboy. Well, I don't know. It just completes everything, you know. It's shiny, I like it. Maybe you'll want one.
feels
They're sturdy.
Welcome to the industry.
Yeah.
lovely to us.
We don't do this for everyone.
No.
Feels special.
I'm honoured.
Yeah.
Special.
No, you're welcome.
It's rare.
It's pretty sick. I love them. And
this is
when
like
they
you
get kicked
keep
around a bit,
Yeah, I was gonna say you keep
they look
it
good,
around,
eh?
like,
You gotta like, yeah.
just drag it along the ground
yeah, behind you.
with a strap.
Oi, you know how you wanted to sew together a shirt of all the scraps?
Yeah,
I found the front.
that's good.
The back of it's there as well.
Are you gonna keep that?
Maybe. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
I could actually sew this shirt back together. There's the back of it.
No. It has to be other shirts too.
Get more stuff to.
You have more stuff than anyone I know
Really?
in your truck.
But
It's handy.
how often have I broken down and been able to fix it myself?
Oh hell yeah.
Or been able to get myself out of
For sure. I agree. Pretty good day.
Pretty good day, yeah.
Still got some to go.
Hair black as ebony, skin white as snow.
Matt started polishing his front bar.
Yeah, so after Tuesday, I don't know. I, Ryan Archerfield, promote this idea. Promote this idea and its safeness.
Now get up on all the pallets. I'm hungry.
Jake, is there anything in the fridge to eat? 2 packets. I hope that's someone's delivery, just like 2. Oh, look at those loose feet.
I don't even know how they dance there.
Are those your Sunday shoes? How cold is it?